Imagine getting to closing day, excited to finally own your dream home, and boom, your funds don't arrive. Or worse, you wire them to a scammer. It happens more than you think. I've been in the mortgage business for over 30 years, and believe me when I tell you, today I'm going to make sure that you don't become the next victim of closing day chaos. Michelle.oddo here, decades of experience, and I've seen it all when it comes to closing day mishaps. The two biggest issues, wiring fraud and banks sending the wrong type of transfer like an ACH instead of a wire. Today I'll tell you exactly what to do to ensure your money arrives on time and safely so you can close without the stress. Every year, thousands of homebuyers lose money to wire fraud scams. Here's how it happens. Fraudsters hack into emails, pretend to be your title company or lender, and send fake wiring instructions. You follow them, thinking it's legit, but your money disappears into a scammer's account, and getting it back, nearly impossible. Don't trust, always verify. Call the title company directly using a phone number you know is legit to verify wiring instructions. Never trust last-minute changes to wiring instructions. And then you always want to confirm the details before hitting send. Even a small mistake can delay closing. You want to make sure your money arrives on time. Even if you avoid fraud, your closing can still be delayed if your bank sends funds incorrectly. And guess what? It's happening more often lately than ever. This is a true story. Recently, Bank of America on two of our clients sent an ACH transfer instead of a wire. And guess what? That's not acceptable. ACH transfers don't work for home closings. It's like cash. They take too long to clear. The title companies won't accept them. So here's what you need to do. You need to confirm with your lender and title company that a wire is required and not an ACH. They will never accept that. Talk to your bank at least 24 to 48 hours before closing to ensure they send it correctly. Some banks have wire cutoff times for same day, and some, if you wait till the last minute, it's not going to get there on time. So plan ahead and avoid closing delays. Imagine sitting at the closing table only to hear, "We're still waiting on your funds." Talk about stressful. Don't let this happen to you. Call your bank early and schedule the wire in advance. Triple check the recipient details before sending the funds, and confirm with the title company that the money arrived. Don't assume. I want your home closing to be smooth, exciting experience, and not a stressful mess. So do your homework, verify those wire details, make sure your money gets to where it's going to go, and on time. And if you have questions about your closing or about how this process works, reach out. I'm here to make the process easy and stress-free. And if you found this helpful, give us a like, share, and tag someone who's buying a home soon.